Soft morning
Choosing
light
a card,
upon the
drawing,
wooden
writing, and
table.
mailing it feels
I
warm.
pick a card with colors bright and stable, with a steady hand and a gentle start.
I draw a little
We'll write
sun,
a little
shining bright
note
here.
right from the heart. I choose a postcard from the fanned out stack, then draw
Tracing
a
the letters slowly,
sun
just for someone
upon
special.
the back. The wax crayon glides in circles round and round, while dancing dust motes float
Adding a
above
few
the
kind
ground.
words below the picture.
Catchy, Cory, writing, tracing every line, making little pictures that are truly mine.
I wonder where to send this little piece of joy.
Writing, sending out a cheer, with a boop, boop here and a title right there. I lean
Copying the
upon
details
the desk and trace
carefully,
my name,
so it finds
Each
its way
letter
home.
flows like sunlight on the frame. Then by the windowsill I add a
Pressing a
line
stamp down
to
gently to seal
share a
it all.
cozy thought with someone fine. Writing, spelling out a friend,
I walk
a
with
gentle
quiet
pen and a
steps, keeping this
caring
message
hand.
close.
Writing, sharing what is true, with a swish, swish here
Peering
and a
at the
giggle, giggle
slot,
too.
hoping it fits just
I
right.
copy down the letters on the stand, and press a little stamp across the land.
Sliding
The
it
edges slide
inside,
smooth
watching it
beneath
disappear
my
into the dark.
hand, ready to travel far across the sand.
I sit quietly, imagining where this
sending
little
love
note will go.
along, singing a sweet and bouncy little song. Writing,
Stepping out
watching
to
it
share
take
warm
flight,
hellos,
with a
friends.
zip zap here and a shimmer shim light. I walk the garden path with steady pace.